Hey there, this is your old pal Dean, and here's a little something that Frank and Dustin sent me from Smokeslinger Smokers. Smokeslinger, let's install it.
A foggy day in the Funkatorium. I'm going to install a one grill on my Smokeslinger Dorium. Oh, Frank, you shouldn't have. Oh boy. You know, the first thing I thought that this was going to be cheesy. This is some stout steel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. And this, what's in this? Nothing.
So I'm going to uncover and take the racks out of my Smokeslinger and show you how to do this.
So in box 1 we have the brackets that we're going to use, and looks like a spit handle. That's a nice addition. A counterweight for when your meats are off balance. A set of hooks. Box 2 has a set of hooks. Box 3 has a set of hooks, and box 4 has a set of hooks. So you're going to be able to group together chickens on this side, maybe a couple, maybe even 3, and depending on how you make the fire arrangement, and a couple on that side. So that's good. As soon as you lift this, as soon as you put this in your hand, this is stainless steel, you're going to realize this is a lot more stout and robust than the Charbroil counterparts that you can get at Walmart. I've already mentioned that this thing is, I was worried whether there'd be a bend in this, and this is very, very solid steel. This, what I find interesting about this, is anybody ever used rotisseries before, a lot of times they have a thumb screw like you see here, which is fine for, this is the end of the spit, this holds the end of the spit on so it doesn't rock its way that way. But look at this. These things are huge, and that's critical when you're using big thick gloves like this to try to turn something and get it loose, and when you're handling something hot. So they paid a lot of attention to detail, and this is good stock. Okay, this is pretty simple. So your distance from here to here is 24 inches. So half of 24 inches is 12. There.
Well, interference won't work.
So yeah, it is less space from here to here than it is from here to here. So yeah, it's supposed to be this way, so that's okay. This is the bracket for the motor. This is for the other side. So we're actually working on the other side where the spit is going to come through and attach. I put the bracket and the motor on that side over there because I have a plug there. So you can put it on either side, you can swap it, whatever. The measurements are the same. However, you really can't figure out where those holes go because this doesn't lay flush, right? So we're going to use, in order to do this, we're going to use the same bracket we used before, right? So we're going to drill out this hole first, then we're going to center punch, right? Do everything the same way we did it, okay? Up here. So now what I've done is I've gone ahead and vacuumed out the inside to make sure all the little metal specks that were all around this area were picked up, and also inside. As you can see, we've got this loosely fastened, and what we want to do is make sure that this cradle right here is equal or level with the hole that we put in there, okay? So we're going to tighten it. Good. That's not gonna move. Go right through there. Now let's do the other side. All right, same situation here. What I do is fill up underneath here. Just a little bit more. Now they're nice and tight and locked in. But wait, there's still more. That's right. Big old baskets for wings and anything you can't fit on spit hooks. Just imagine how many wings you could have spinning around in that basket.
Nobody understands your barbecue but yourself. Fuck off!
Wally, what do we need? I'm set.
Wait.